Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 3 and 4. Know me as the knower of the field in all fields. O Bharata, knowledge of the field as also of the knower of the field is considered by me to be my knowledge.
क्षेत्रं च अपि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम.
What that field is, of what nature it is, what are its modifications, whence it is, and also who he is, and what his powers are. These hear from me in brief.
क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् च यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Chapter 13, Shloka 3 and 4. What is my knowledge is explained. The world of matter and the spirit of truth that presides over it was stated earlier. In all the fields that constitute matter, the knower is one. Therefore, the plurality is only in the matter envelopments, and the life that presides over them is one everywhere. Every person has to discover that transcendental truth, the universal one, in himself. A correct knowledge of what constitutes in each one of us the perishable, changeable, finite inert matter, and of the nature of the infinite, imperishable, and sentient spirit is the supreme knowledge. Kshetra is the field of matter which is constituted of the various equipment of perception and the vast fields of the perceived. Kshetragna is the subject and that enjoys the activities of the instruments of perception and the world perceived by them. To distinguish the world of subject from the world of objects will free us from the confusions and sorrows from which we suffer today as individualized egos. Shloka 4. We must know the causes that create our present problem. The world of matter that has been projected by ourselves around us and the processes by which we work through it to perceive the infinite varieties of objects, feelings, and thoughts. All these are to be observed and studied. To ignore them is to cheat ourselves. So much about the essential knowledge to know the nature of all matter envelopments, their play, and how they behave under given sets of circumstances is to know the field where we have to battle for release and win our victory. What constitutes the field, the kshetra, and what it is in itself, that is, what are its properties and what effects arise from what causes, that is, what are the byproducts when it changes its form, what is its origin, who is the knowing principle in the field, what are his powers of perception, feeling, and thought. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.